Hi, and welcome to the Imperial Golf Club. We're doing a series of rules and handicap sessions, and I'm with Nancy Hauber, LPGA and PGA professional at the Imperial Golf Club. Today we're going to do lateral water hazards. Nancy unfortunately is hitting her ball into the hazard, and she's got to find the nearest point where the ball last crossed the margin of the hazard. So Nancy, where'd that ball cross the margin of the hazard? Right here. Option number one, Nancy's going to be allowed to go back to the original spot and hit the ball. And so if she was in the fairway back here, she'd have to go to the original spot, drop the ball as near as possible, no closer to the hole, and play from there. If she was on the teeing ground, she can actually go back and tee the ball up in that position. So you're just recreating the shot over again. Her second option is to keep the point where the ball last crossed the margin of the hazard between her and the hole and go straight backwards. Nancy, how far does that wedge go for you?
70 yards.
70 yards. So if she dropped it right up here at 52 yards where this ball entered the hazard, she's going to have to hit a half swing over the bunker or over the water, and she's not going to want to do that. So she can go all the way back to 50 or 70 yards instead of 50 yards, and she's got a fuller swing and able to make more of a confident swing. So I'm going to bring her back up here again. Whoop.
In the fairway.
She can actually go back to the fairway too. Yeah, there's another little point that you might be able to gather. So once she gets back here, she's in the fairway instead of dropping it in the rough, so she's at another added benefit. All right, Nancy, I'm going to bring you back up here. Our next option relief is probably the one most people use. When you're in a lateral or a red marked hazard, you can take 2 club lengths from the point where the ball last crossed the margin of the hazard, no closer to the hole. So at this point we're at 52 yards. She's taken her 2 club lengths, she's marked her spot, and she has to drop the ball within those 2 club lengths and not have it roll closer to the hole. So she's in play at that point. Now her fourth option is one that very few people use. We're at 52 yards right here at this point, and there's an option called equidistant on the opposite margin of the hazard. So when you're here, you notice we've got to go over at least 40, 45 yards of water. So Nancy is going to take off to the other side of it. She's going all the way around. We've already measured this at 52 yards. You can use your rangefinder, or in this particular case we use the Visage system, which is on our computer screens on our carts at Imperial. She found 52 yards on that side. She's going to mark that spot. She can go 2 club lengths, just as she did on this side of the hazard. And now once again she can drop the ball within those 2 club lengths. And now she has a shot where she only has to negotiate a very small amount of water, grass, bunker, and then she goes to the hole. So she's actually found a spot which may be beneficial in the long run. Make sure to utilize the rule book and the rules to your benefit, and thank you for watching.